right, Shailendra. Appreciate you sharing those details with us. Shifting focus now. With poll heat at fever pitch, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lead the charge today. From 1:30 p.m., he will address a public rally in Ara, followed by Nevada at 3:30 p.m. The day will peak in Patna. At 5 p.m., he will pay tribute to poet Ramdhari Singh Dinkar at Dinkar Golambar, then lead a grand 2.8-kilometer road show from Nala Road to Baripat, ending near Udyog Bhavan. He will wrap up with a visit to Patna Sahib Gurudwara at 6:45 p.m. As NDA pushes hard, every speech and step will count. Alright, so we are getting the details of the Prime Minister's rallies that are set to take place in Bihar today. The road show will be considered a key highlight of the visit and will start from the Dinkar Golambar at 5:30 p.m. and move through Nala Road, Thakurwadi and Bakarganj. Now, according to the Patna traffic police, the traffic restrictions will remain in place from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. on multiple connecting routes, including the Dinkar Golambar to Nala Road to Baripat, and fire tenders, ambulances, patient vehicles, judicial vehicles, election duty vehicles and vehicles with proper passes will be permitted on these stretches. So, traffic police has also appealed to people to cooperate and use alternative routes. Sunday is expected to be a very high voltage political day in Bihar, with multiple top leaders campaigning across the state. Prime Minister Modi's rally will be a one-day election campaign in Bihar, and he is set to address back-to-back rallies, the first one in Ara and the second one in Nevada. I am joined by my colleague शैलेंद्र कुमार once again on this telecast. शैलेंद्र जी, बहुत ही जैम पैक्ड स्केड्यूल है प्राइम मिनिस्टर का, तो क्या क्या एक्सपेक्ट किया जा सकता है उनकी पब्लिक रैली से?
देखिए, साफ तौर पे एक रैली है, रैली को संबोधित करेंगे और प्रधानमंत्री इससे पहले भी चुनाव प्रचार बिहार में कर चुके हैं और उन्होंने एक नैरेटिव जो है या कहें कि मुद्दे तय कर दिए कि आखिर बिहार के मुद्दे क्या होंगे, एनडीए के क्या मुद्दे होंगे और किस तरह से आगे चीजें बढ़ेंगी। और आज जब पटना में उनका रोड शो होगा रैली के बाद, तो वो अपने आप में एक अलग स्थिति बनेगी, क्योंकि इससे पहले जो चुनाव हुए थे उसमें भी रोड शो हुआ था प्रधानमंत्री का, उसका रूट दूसरा था, लेकिन अब जो है वो रूट दूसरा होगा। तो साफ तौर पे है, दो विधानसभा क्षेत्र है, यानी यहाँ पर एक विधानसभा क्षेत्र कुमरार है और दूसरा विधानसभा क्षेत्र बांकीपुर है, वहीं पर आज प्रधानमंत्री का ये रोड शो होने वाला है।
All right, I appreciate you sharing those details with us. Please stay on with me. Meanwhile, with poll heat at fever pitch, along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Minister Amit Shah will lead the charge today. From 11:45 a.m., he will address a public rally in Muzaffarpur, followed by Vaishali at 1:30 p.m. As NDA pushes hard, every speech and step will count. Alright, so now after the Prime Minister's rally, the Home